So students, today we will discuss about transportation in human beings. Okay, so as you all know that blood transport food, oxygen and waste material in our bodies, right? So blood consists of a fluid medium. It consists of a fluid medium that called plasma. Plasma is a fluid medium. Okay, in which the cells are suspended, right? Plasma transport food, carbon dioxide or nitrogenous compounds or nitrogenous waste that is dissolved into the blood, right? So all the things like the substances are carbon dioxide, food and nitrogenous waste are dissolved into the plasma, right? So oxygen is carrying by red blood cells. Oxygen is carried by the red blood cells. So let us start or see how in humans blood is pumped into the heart. Okay, see, this is the structure of heart. As you see, the structure of heart is similar to our fist, like this. Like if I just close my fist, so it is just similar to fist. Okay, so it is a muscular organ. So now we will discuss about how does heart work, right? So see, heart having both oxygen or carbon dioxide. Okay, so it has to transport both oxygen or carbon dioxide. So for the distribution of CO2 or oxygen, for the distribution of CO2 or oxygen, there are 4 chambers in the heart. As you see, there are 4 chambers in the heart. 1, upper 2, and these are lower 2 chambers. See, these are upper 2 chambers and these are lower 2 chambers. So let us discuss about this. So see, these upper 2 chambers of the heart, are called atriums, right? These are called atriums, and lower chambers of the heart are called ventricles. So these are 2 lower chambers and these are 2 upper chambers. So upper chamber is called atrium. You can say that upper chamber, atrium, or lower chamber, ventricle. Okay, see, this is on the right hand side. If I stand like this, right? So this is right atrium and this portion is left atrium, this upper chamber, right? Likewise, this lower chamber is right ventricle and this is left ventricle. I hope these two are understood by everyone. After that, see, so from here all of you know that there are 4 chambers in the heart, right? So let's start. The blood from various part of the heart comes through vena cava. Okay, so this is inferior vena cava. There are 2 type of vena cava in the heart. Inferior vena cava means that is lower vena cava, that is lower that is present lower portion of the heart, below the heart, that portion exists. So the heart come from the blood come from this portion, and this is inferior vena cava and this is superior vena cava. See, superior vena cava means upper portion of the heart. So blood comes from here. Okay, the superior vena cava up from upper portion of the heart, and this is for lower portion of the heart. So deoxygenated blood, see basically it bring deoxygenated blood.